What really is your trading edge? Stay tuned, we'll talk about that next. Good day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about what really is your trading edge. So to me there's three components to a successful trading edge. Often we spend the bulk of our time, hashing over charts, looking through books, looking through free courses, everything else for some kind of technical edge in terms of a trade identification strategy. And the reality of it is that yes, your methodology is the one aspect that helps you potentially identify where you can exploit a mispricing in the market or your niche to where you can potentially enter the market and have a possibility of a trade turning profitable for you. But the real advantage to being successful exploiting that edge is in number two, a very aggressive risk management strategy. So the third component, which is kind of, a big part of what I always talk about, because I believe that you really, once you get into the mindset of trading being a business and that it is about aggressive risk management, it's doing the work on yourself to bulletproof your mindset to be able to manage that trading process and really focus on the risk management side of exploiting that edge through your methodology. So really, unless you have those second two components, your methodology is useless. And I've said this before, I've blown up small trading accounts. I've made a lot of the ridiculous mistakes that most losing traders make. And I really, part of me doing this blog is I'm trying to, people have messaged me and said, do a live trading session, or can you give more technical side of things in the trading. My system, my trading strategy is very simple. Like, I wouldn't say that I'm a pure chartist, but I really focus on just basic rectangles, trend lines, breakouts. But Monday to Friday I look for signal bars, pin bars, inside bars, based on the congestion patterns that build up monthly and over the weekly charts. So but at the end of the day, none of that really matters unless I can aggressively manage my risk on my trade entries. So often you've heard me say this in the other videos, my risk is usually only 1R. And it depending on the setups and the time frame, but most of the time on my end of day trading, it's 1R, which is, 1 day stop. And usually I know I'm not necessarily at break even the next day, but often if there's a breakout pullback trade or a breakout from a congestion or a pattern completion, my stop is 1 bar, because on those breakouts or on those pin bars, those types of trades, if the market's going to move, it will definitely protect that bar. So if I'm wrong, I want to be wrong as soon as possible. And it really took me a long time. I thought I understood that, but until I blew up a few accounts and really went back and looked at my behavior in terms of how I was approaching the market and managing my mindset in relation to how I approached the market, I was still going forward as a losing trader. So go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. When I say this, it's the truth. 1%, I think it's a 1% rule. Only 1% of traders are really doing the work day in and day out to successfully and move forward in a direction of constant improvement. It's not that hard. The hard part is doing the simple things to work on yourself, to be aggressive with your risk management. We have a real hardwiring problem in our headspace about wanting to be right, wanting to make money, and winning. And all three of those are going to cause you to engage in irrational, impulsive, and emotional behavior in relation to your trades. So the only way you can really consistently extrapolate your edge is, yes, you need, number one, a mechanical model to help you decide when you're going to enter the market, where you're going to place your stops. where you're going to set your targets at, and when you're going to exit the market. And in between, also perhaps how to move your stops and manage that trade, and also potentially how to aggressively maybe pyramid into your trades later on to be able to profit more off your winners and even potentially lose less on your losers. So number 2, be very aggressive with your risk management. So you need to decide whether that's a percentage of your capital, whether it's a price action stop, a maximum stop loss, whatever it is for you. I use usually a 1-hour multiple, but its position sizing is based on a percentage of the account. Number 3, you need to be able to bulletproof your mindset to forge the resiliency unconsciously so that every single trade that you take is just another trade. It's just like Peter Brandt talks about this, it's just a data point in a continuum of data points over your trading graph, your trading history. So journaling, that 7-step daily routine, a big component that I'm really spending a lot of time right now is on journaling and analysis and keeping really detailed records about my behavior, my approach to the market, my levels, and just honing in on that. I'm looking to really refine that edge even more because I'm pushing the boundaries to try and get my account up to a larger, scaling that up to bigger size with my trades. So I encourage you to keep working on all those little things that are going to really make the difference. It's not in the trade identification. So do the work, stay focused. Trading mastery is a lifelong journey, traders, but if you work on those little things, they're going to pay big dividends. Stay focused, stay disciplined, have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.